What's up guys, it's been almost 4 years since Apple had announced the 4-inch iPhone SE smartphone. It came with internals of the iPhone 6s and appeared like the iPhone 5. In 2017, the rumor was speculated that Apple may launch a successor for the iPhone SE, but it didn't come true. And in the previous one, Apple launched the 2019 iPhones and it appears that the iPhone SE2 won't be coming this year. But now, fresh new information shared by a great and reliable analyst, Ming-Chi reveals that the iPhone SE2 will be announced in the first quarter of 2020. A report from the last month by Nikki had also claimed that the iPhone SE2 will be made official around the same period. Ming-Chi has also revealed that the iPhone SE2 will be sporting a design similar to iPhone 8. It means that the iPhone SE2 won't be featuring a notch screen like the iPhone 10 as some rumors had claimed before. And apart from the design, the specs of the iPhone SE2 are also expected to resemble with the iPhone 8, but it could be featuring the latest Apple A13 along with 3 gigs of RAM. The handset could be coming with a 4.7-inch LCD display and a Touch ID embedded home button. Ming-Chi didn't share any information on the expected pricing of the iPhone SE2, but he has claimed that the company will be selling 30 to 40 million units of the small iPhone in the coming year. Currently, the iPhone portfolio includes iPhone 11 series, iPhone XR, and iPhone 8 series. Apple is selling the 64GB iPhone 8 that features a 4.7-inch display with a price tag of $449. There is a possibility that Apple may discontinue the iPhone 8 with the introduction of iPhone SE2, and probably the 32GB iPhone SE2 could be priced around $399. Ming-Chi has speculated that Apple could be aiming the iPhone SE2 to the existing users of the iPhone 6 because the newly launched iOS 13 update is not available for iPhone 6 and 6 Plus owners. Probably the company may want iPhone 6 owners to upgrade the Apple A13 powered iPhone 8 that will come preloaded with iOS 13, which would also help Apple boost its share in an increasingly saturated smartphone market and drive the adoption of services including Apple Arcade, Apple TV Plus, and Apple Music. Also, Apple has reportedly acquired motion capture company named iKinema. With the acquisition of iKinema, Apple could use the technology in its various AR and VR projects, as well as the company could enlist its help for improving true depth camera technology, which captures movement of the face. Also, several reports in the past have claimed that Apple will introduce a new design with the second generation of Airpods, but all of them turned out false after their official unveiling, as the company retained the original design while adding a support for wireless charging and incorporating the faster H1 chip. But the long-anticipated Airpods with an overhauled design may launch soon. Steve Mahler, a contributing writer for Mac Rumors, who also happens to be an iOS developer, has shared a tweet which shows new Airpods design in the beta version of latest iOS 13.2, and the new logo for Airpods is significantly different than both the first and second generation of Apple Airpods. And recently, after casing of the redesigned Airpods was also leaked by a Chinese supplier, and they look exactly like the icon from iOS 13.2. So seems like Apple may release their third generation of AirPods along with the iPhone SE2. So yeah, that's all for now. Subscribe to the channel and like this video. Let me know, are you interested in iPhone SE2? And yeah, see you soon.